Welcome to Spiral Back Review. This is 7th grade question 5 out of 5. All right, we are looking for an error here. The student claims that 8x minus 2 times the quantity of 4 plus 3x is equivalent to 3x. So that means, equivalent there means that if I simplify this expression, my equivalent all the way down should be 3x. Okay, so let's check and see how that student did. Here's our expression, 8x minus 2. In step 1, this is what the student got. Let's see what happens and see what we get. 8x, I'm going to use my distribution property. Remember, between there, that means multiplication. Minus 2 times 4 is 8. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. So right away, I noticed an error. I noticed in step 1, the student did not apply the distribution property correctly. Forgot to multiply negative 2 and 3x. So I forgot that step. All right. So in step 2, what did the student do here? Step 1. Step 2, 8x plus 3x minus 8. Okay. Used properties, commutative property, and put them in the right order. So let's go ahead. We can do that too. 8x minus 6x minus 8. Some of you may just underline those to represent that they do belong together. And if we do that, let's see, so far so good. And then the student combined 8x plus 3x and got 11x. So even though his step 1 was wrong so far, and moving on, he's doing a good job. Let's try us. 8 minus 6x is 2x. Bring down our minus 8. Then the student combined, it looks like, 11x and 8 together. It looks like they combined those two together and got 3x. Okay, this can't happen, so that's the next mistake, right? We cannot combine 11x and 8x, negative 8x, because they are not like terms. So we would like to say that in step 4, the student should not subtract 8 from 11x. They are not like terms. And if you notice in my answer, I have used quite a bit of vocabulary, distribution property, like terms. I also made sure that I described when the steps happened. And it said all errors, so remember there is always a chance there's more than one. Okay, so the correct answer should be here. And I can't combine anymore. This slide I was going to do the workout, but since we already did that on the previous slide, I think we are good to go. Maybe we'll go over it just one more time to make sure everybody understands that the part B was asking you to solve, and you want to make sure that even after you do the error and you find it, that you solve and simplify, in this case, the correct answer. I'm going to go ahead. 8x minus 8 minus 6x. If you wish, you may put those in order using the commutative property, and my answer comes down to 2x minus 8. I could also have underlined to indicate that I'm combining those two together. Now let's try one on your own. Remember to show all your work and circle the error. It says, describe and correct the error in solving the equation below. So I changed it up a little bit, gave you guys an equation to solve. So let's see how you do, and have a good day.